Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil power. Be our light through countless
Royal Queen, man. God damn.
To
Lashanati.
leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever, to make our land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, Pulse Production